Mommy. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. You deserve all the love in the world. Just enjoy your day. And peace as always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mami! Ingat ka palagi. Ang wish ko sa'yo, madami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo at good health para makasama pa kita dito sa Pilipinas. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday po! Ingat palagi para magtagal pa.
Hello ma, happy 68th birthday to you. Wish ko more birthday pa na coming para sa iyo and good health. Enjoy your first birthday in Canada. We are always here for you and we love you so much. Happy birthday again. Ingat kayo palagi dyan and enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye, love you.
Happy birthday, Mami! Wish ko sa'yo more birthday to comes and good health palagi. I love you. Mwah!
Hi Mama! Happy birthday to you! Wish ko lang sa inyo ay bigyan pa kayo ng mahabang buhay at maraming birthday. Mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. Na mahal po namin kayo. Love you! Happy birthday ulit! Bye! Ingat po lagi! I miss you!
Hi Mama, happy birthday. More birthday to come and good health. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. We love you. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Mami! And ang masasabi lang namin is mag-ingat po kayo dyan and alagaan niyo po yung sarili niyo. More birthday to come and good health lang po. And love ka namin ng mga apo mong maganda. And yun lang po. Ingat! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mami. Ingat palagi. Love you. Hello, Ma. Birthday sa inyo. Happy 60th birthday. Wish ko lang po sana good health. And sana maging maligaya kayo sa amin dito. And of course, maraming salamat sa pag-alaga sa amin. Lalo mga Baby Axel. Ako ba? Hindi ko na matandaan kung kailan yung huling birthday nyo na magkasama tayo. And I thank God na this time kasama ko na po kayo. And maraming salamat ulit, Ma. And happy birthday.